This fragrance tip will change your life. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Welcome back everybody to Joel the Nose, and today I'm going to share a secret with you guys. I don't know if it's a secret, but it's something that I've been doing for a few years now that I think raised my level of enjoying my fragrances more than ever. I did a little video the other day talking about how to expand your fragrance collection when you're on a budget, or maybe you just, you don't have the extra dollars. I know times are tough. And what I suggested was taking fragrances and layering what you already have. So picking some of the ones, let's say you have a fragrance of collection of 5 fragrances, mix and match them, try them, see, layer them, meaning spray one on, spray another one on top of the other one, mix it, see how it works. When you find a combination you like, okay, great. Now you've got a new fragrance essentially to your collection. But what if you don't want to, just spray, you're not sure, do I spray on my arm, a different arm, do I, sometimes you're like, I just want to have a pre-made selection. So this is not rocket science, but this is what I do. So let me give you an example of 2 fragrances that I learned from actually one of the higher ups at Creed is one of their best layering combinations that they personally like to do. And that is combining Original Santal, one of their classics, with another classic, Millésime Impérial. I used to say Millésime, but apparently it's Millésime. So these 2 amazing fragrances, in their own rights, I wear them individually all the time. But when I tried layering them, they were amazing. And how I did it was creating a base, which was mostly of this, and then layering over the top with this, okay? With the original, I'm sorry, the opposite. I created a base with Original Santal, and then over the top, I used the Millésime Impérial, which uses, by the way, some of the best orris butter known to man, which is also one of the most expensive natural fragrance materials in the world. Incredibly, incredibly expensive. So high quality fragrances here. This is what I do. This is what I recommend. It's so easy, guys. I'm so excited to tell everybody this. I buy these little brown bottles from Amazon. You can get them anywhere. Like you can get them online. Just search, little perfume bottles. This is glass. Glass lasts longer. You can get them stuff like this, I think sometimes at health food stores, maybe even at things like Target. But literally just go on Amazon, Google perfume glass bottles. They're literally nothing. It's like $10, $15, $20, and you get like 20 or 30 bottles, okay? I get these 30 mLs because they're good travel size. I get the ones in dark color because that keeps the light out, makes the fragrance last longer. Next step is very simple, okay? And I've already done this a little bit in another video I did, so I have some in here already, but I'm gonna add to this now. What you do is you wanna also, by the way, make sure you get a bottle that has a wide enough, see the opening, the mouth, the neck, and then you're just gonna take whatever fragrance. I'm using, again, Original Santal from Creed. You can use whatever fragrances you like that you've already layered on your own and work. But again, let's just say you wanna take it with you on a trip, and you wanna have it in a bottle ready to go. Or maybe you wanna go to a work meeting, you wanna carry it with you in your purse, or maybe in your bag or your backpack, and you wanna have a pre-made solution ready to go. That's what this is. You're gonna have your pre-made mix. So basically, I'm just gonna do a simple one here. 10 sprays of Original Santal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can see the juice in there. And then I like to use a little bit less because I like to use the Original Santal more as the base. And then the Millésime Impérial, I'll put 8 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have it. You can see the solution there. Now, obviously, this is just only going to give you maybe a few because you got 10 and 8. That's 18 sprays, right? So this may give you, if you wear 5 sprays, if you wear 5 sprays, typically this may give you about 3 wearings. So I would, of course, add more. So maybe you start out with 30 sprays and 20 sprays, whatever, or maybe you just do half and half. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. You are the perfumer now. By doing this, you get to be the perfumer, which is so cool. So there you have it. Of course, I would label it. I have little white labels, just simple. Call it what you want. Call it, your mixture. I like to put on there what the ratio is. So I'll put, whatever, it's 10 sprays to 8 or 20 sprays to 15, whatever, just so I know. Because again, you can then change it up. Maybe you want to go, the ratios are equal, or maybe you want to do a little bit more of the other fragrance. So it's fun. You get to play. It's almost like you are now your own perfumer and your own chemist. And then you spray it on. Okay. Let me smell it. Oh, it's amazing. It's so freaking good, guys. And it's something that you can do very easily in your own home. And this now gives you a plethora of options and choices for you that you can pre-mix and have your own bottles. And imagine that. You meet somebody, you're like, yeah, I've got my own perfumes that I made. They're not gonna necessarily know how you did it, but this makes you your own creative person. And of course, layering, I know, can be a little bit of a controversial. Some people don't like it because they're saying that you're taking perfumers' original creations and kind of, messing with them. You pay good money for these fragrances. You can do what my personal opinion is. Not everything is good for layering, but when you find stuff you like, why not? Okay, especially this gives you more options, more economical options, so you don't have to maybe go out and buy other fragrances. And this, again, gives you something that you can play around with. And I really, really suggest it after doing this a while now to create your own. Again, it's very cheap. You can store it, you can keep it, you can travel with it, you can actually give it away as a gift. Let's say you want to give it away as a gift. You've now created your own little mini fragrance. Label it, put nice labels on it, and give it away as gifts to friends, to family, and let people know about your passion for perfume. So there you have it. That is my little trick of the day that I wanted everyone to know about, that I've been using for years. It's a big hit. I get a lot of compliments on these layered fragrances. And again, use stuff and experiment stuff with, first on your skin. When you find a combination you like, then I say add it to the bottle and run with it and have fun. And I hope you guys are doing it. Let me know. Have you tried something like this before? Have you tried making your own pre-made mixes? Okay? I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you guys as always for watching. And remember, don't be a wimp. Spray like a pimp. You know the rule. Don't be a wimp. Spray like a pimp.